Yes. So that was the story that I wanted to share, and this is the book, as I said. तो क्या है ना कि दो तीन चीजें इसमें मैं कह देना चाहती हूँ. When I was saying that eventually that film Goopika and Bagabain in Hindi, that did not happen. वो प्रोजेक्ट हुआ नहीं था. तो उसके वजह से obviously Gulzar साहब was he keeps saying this thing of like I missed out the opportunity of collaborating with Manik Da, but I admire him, I love him. When I was taking the interview also, he was talking to me about that. But मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं क्यों गई थी उनका इंटरव्यू करने. Because in 2019 there was an animated film in Hindi language. There was an animated film made on Goopika and Bagabain. The film was directed by a graphic designer, and she's an illustrator and graphic designer. Her name is Shilpa Ranade. So 2019 में वो फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी, और गुलजार साहब ने obviously introduced that हिंदी animated film Goopika and Bagabain. तो उसी के टाइम पे before the release of the film, I went to his place. मैं उनके किताब घर में गई थी, and I'm very fortunate to get that opportunity to kind of go to his place and sit with him and interacting with him and all that. मैंने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीजें की थी कि मैंने देखा कि उनके घर में ना, उनके जो बुक शेल्फ है वहाँ पे बंगाली, हिंदी एंड उर्दू लैंग्वेज की किताबें ज्यादा है. और ये देख के मुझे आई वाज सो फैसिनेटेड बाय सीइंग दैट बंगाली लैंग्वेज की किताबें कितने सारे रखे हुए हैं वहाँ पे. से राइट की तरफ आते हैं, है ना. और वो किताब जो उनके बुक शेल्फ में रखा हुआ था वो ऐसे रखे हुए थे जैसे राइट टू लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट टू राइट, राइट टू लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट टू राइट. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक द वे the river Ganga and Yamuna is like flowing, or maybe I have a very imaginative mind, that's why I was interpreting the whole thing like that. But I was so fascinated, and I'm like, अरे तुम्ही बांग्ला বই এভাবে রাখা রয়েছে, তুমি পড়তে পারো? And I just said that in Bengali to Gulzar Sahab, and Gulzar Sahab বলল যে হ্যাঁ আমি ওই বইটা পারো ওখান থেকে. And then I took that book which was a Bengali language book, and then it's like তুমি পড়তে পারো, পড়ো. And then which means like can you read it. And then I read it out, and then he was so, Gulzar Sahab is so loving. Gulzar Sahab was so loving towards me, and so affectionate, so loving. And obviously I love him, right? Like there are so many of us who literally find Gulzar Sahab still relevant, and he's 86 I guess, but he's so young. He's so young. गुलजार साहब के साथ उस दिन मैं इतनी सारी बातें की, लेकिन और one of my friend who took me there, I am also ever thankful to her, Hema. I love Hema. and the thing is so उन्होंने मुझे वो किताब, उन्होंने बोला कि चलो ये बोइटा तुम्हारा. तो I'm like thank you, किछु लिखे दाओ. So then this is what Arundhati with love, Gulzar, and this is 25th February 2019. That's when I met him, 25th February 2019. And this is that gift, that book. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful, I'm so happy, I'm so thankful. Last week during International Radio Day, I think I put out that picture of me with Amin Sayani. I met Amin Sayani, and again, like icon, right? And I put it out there, and I was sharing the memory. I put a photo story there, and today I'm sharing this video with you guys. And many times it happens that I know many journalists who just go there, ask few questions just for the heck of it, and I really have seen how people just go and meet celebrity these days just to get a selfie. मेरे ना गुलजार साहब के साथ कोई सेल्फी नहीं है, लेकिन ये जो है ना, ये ब्लेसिंग है मेरे लिए. I know that I'm not a popular journalist. I know that many times even in my professional field people do at times make mean comment on me, and a lot of thing happens to me. I'm not playing any victim card here, but all I'm saying that you guys can say anything to me, humiliate me, criticize me, love me, hate me, do anything. But I know how I am creating memory with every single conversation that I'm trying to strike. Every time when I'm getting an opportunity to interview somebody. And I always count my blessing, and that is why perhaps my heart is filled with gratitude. I can do everything. I can सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट हो सकती है आपके, बहुत सारे बायलाइंस मिल सकता है आपको, बहुत सी चीजें हो सकती है, लेकिन ऐसी चीजें ब्लेसिंग. थैंक यू.